Hello, I'm Bruce Matsunaga, Director of Digital Technology for the Department of English. Today I'm going to show you how to track absences in Blackboard. So if I go to my course shell, I'm going to go to the Full Grade Center, and I'll click on Create Column. I need to give the column a name. I'll just use Absences. That's pretty straightforward, and the students will be able to understand what this means. I'll leave the primary display as score because I want the students to see how many absences they currently have in the class. I'll put in the number of points that would be probably more than the maximum number of absences. In this case, I'll put 6. Hopefully no one has that many absences, but just in case. I can leave most of these other options in their default positions, and I don't need a due date because this column will run for the entire class. The one thing I do need to change under Options, Include this column in Grade Center Calculations, I want to select No for that. The reason is that I don't want the absences, the number that we put in, to count towards their total points in the class. Now I'll click Submit. Just like everything else in Blackboard, a newly added column shows up in the far right of the Grade Center. If you wish to rearrange this, you can go to Manage and Column Organization to move this to a different location. In order to use this column, I can just click in for the student, put in the number of absences. I just hit Return to enter it. And when you hover the mouse on any cell, you'll see this More Options pop up. I'll click on that arrow, and I'll go to Quick Comment. Here I can give the feedback to the student, so I might say Miss Class on this day, and I'll click Submit. Now if the student misses another class, I'll just go back to the absence column, change the number. This time I'll put in 2. I'll go back to the quick comment, and I'll put in a new row and add the additional information. Now from the student perspective, here I've logged into the same course shell as a student, and I'll go to My Grades. This is where students can see what is in the Grade Center. There's the absence column. It's at the bottom just like it is on the far right in the Grade Center. I can see that I have 2 absences, and if I want to view the comments or feedback, I can click on the little chat bubble, and the student can see the dates in which they missed class. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.